Welcome to Elevate Yoga. Today we're going to look at side angle pose, also known as Parsvakonasana. So James is going to take a modified version of it. If you are tighter, this is how you can learn it. So step the right foot forward and bend the front knee in line with the hip, but you don't want the knee going over the heel. So if that's happening at home, make sure you take a wider stance. When you're tighter, take a block to the inside and take the right hand down. What this also teaches you is how to not stick the butt out. So make the arm the leader, push it into the thigh. He has a pretty tight hamstring, so this is his edge. I wouldn't suggest for him going past that. So as you notice, the front leg is doing warrior two, and the back leg is in basically triangle pose. The foot is rooted, the kneecap is lifted. When you're starting, you can just keep the left hand up, and then as you get more open, you can start to take it up and over. So if you listen to the name of poses in yoga, they're quite helpful. Side angle pose, meaning I'm going to take my stick to test this pose, starting at the foot. One angle is right here. From the foot, the kneecap is lifted to the hip. The other angle you want to look for is from the foot up all the way to the shoulder. So the side angle starts at the foot and finishes all the way up to the hand. So he passed his pink stick test of side angle pose. At home, maybe perhaps take a stick, take a picture, and notice where you are in that process. Thanks for practicing. Goodbye.